Hello everyone, look what I have for you today. This is the Jeep Multitool. You can get it on Amazon for about $10.50 shipped. This is how you open it. The pliers, look how easy. Lock it, open, yeah, that's nice. It's got this spring tension on it. It's got this really nice pocket clip, and it's got this adjustable tool nut bolt opener. Okay, really nice. And of course you cannot make one without a blade, so yeah, this is the blade. It's a slip joint. It's not very sharp, but it's fine. Yeah. Ooh, this is really some really serious hardwood. And what else does it have? It's got this really cute, let's lock this and fold the blade. Alright. And it's got this really cute little 3 bits, 2 flathead and a Phillips. Let's take one out. See, this thing just comes out like that, and then you have 2 places you can place it, right here in the head of the pliers or in the back right there. Now this one over here, it's magnetic. When you put it in, you feel that magnet suck it in, and then it's not going anywhere, it's stuck in there. The other one right there, so it's not magnetic, but it also sticks pretty nicely and it doesn't fall. Okay, so I saw it, $10.50. I mean, how could you go wrong? I love these value tools that you can pay 30 bucks for a basic Leatherman, but this thing is just so sweet. Yeah, let's pick this thing up. Yeah. See, it's real nice and easy. So this is it, basically $10.50 shipped to your house. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye bye till next time.